Welcome, today in front of me I am a Redmi Note 11 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store and here on the search tool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a second while the application downloading and installing. Now just click to open, tap enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click here to the switcher and tap here to OK, again OK. Now just go back, click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. Tap to OK, that's finished as can you see. And now we'll go here into the Google Assistant for example, and then you can see here that the look of our new keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.